Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you how to make Ital vegetable soup in Jamaican style. So here is the ingredients. You will need pumpkin, you will need 1 chocho, 2 big potatoes, 2 carrot, scallion aka spring onion, garlic, 1 vegetable cube, pumpkin soup mix, coconut milk and kidney beans. Let's start with peeling off and chopping the pumpkin. Now, as we chop out our pumpkin, we're just gonna put it in the pot, garlic with the pumpkin together, pour water on it, just cover it with water, and 1 ingredient I forgot to mention, which is a thyme. What I do with the thyme, I always buy it with a stick, but I just do like this in my hand. So the stick's gonna stay in my hand and only the seasoning will go in. As we have the 3 basic ingredients in the pot, which is the pumpkin, garlic and thyme, we can start boiling it. Put it on the high number, cover it and boil it until it's soft. It can boil for 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Make sure it's soft. That is all what is matter. So just cook the pumpkin until it's soft. Okay, so when the pumpkin is soft, all what we need to do now is to use a spoon and mash up the pumpkin. Try to mash it up as much as you can. When the pumpkin and garlic is mashed up, put 1 vegetable cube in. And you can mix it in. Now is the time to peel and cut the rest of the vegetable. Carrot, potato and chocho. Peel it and cut it, put it in. Now mix the vegetable into the pumpkin. You can add a little bit water. Cover it and leave it to boil. After about 10 minutes cooking, I am going to add a coconut milk. About half of the tin of a coconut milk to the soup. After coconut milk, we will add kidney beans. 1 tin of kidney beans. After beans, you will put a pumpkin seasoning mix. Everything is in the pot, and the last ingredients is a spring onion, aka scallion as Jamaican people call it. Put the scallion in the pot, and soup is almost done. Now it only needs cooking. Now you just have to cover the pot and leave it to cook until everything is soft. Roughly after about 30 minutes of cooking on a high level, the soup should be ready. All the vegetable should be soft in the soup. Let's just mix it and see. All done. Ital vegetable soup is ready. It's time to try it. Thanks for watching, and look forward for more videos coming soon.